Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable FaceTime on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it, and from here you will find the option of FaceTime. Now to enable FaceTime on your iPhone, just make sure you enable this toggle. After you enable this toggle, you will enable FaceTime on your iPhone. Now, if you have enabled this toggle and if the FaceTime settings did not appear on the screen, just go back, then tap on FaceTime, and the FaceTime settings will show right here. In this section, just make sure you enter your phone number or your Apple account so you can be reached by other people on FaceTime using your phone number or your Apple account. And this is how you can enable FaceTime on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.